So here we've got the pumpkin puree inside of the jug, jug, whatever you want to call it. Then, you know, I've got the ingredients and how much to actually put in. But like, besties, thank you so much for answering the phone call on the first ring. Thank you so much. I know you see that thumbnail and you're like, pumpkin spice milk. Yes, today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin spice milk from scratch, because you know we don't cheat round here. No. And I also want to say or ask you, how are you? You know, comment down below and let me know how you're doing today, because boy, I've been so busy. If you're not following me on Snapchat already, make sure you follow me. All my social medias will be down below in the description box. So hey ho. So first of all, what we need is a pumpkin puree. I know some of you are like, pumpkin puree? What? I got my vanilla right here. You see it there? Yes, guys. I got my golden syrup, my milk, and cinnamon, because if you know, cinnamon is associated with autumn, the spice and the warmthness. Oh, I'm excited. I am excited. So first of all, I've got my jug, as you can see. Duh, besties, come on now. Besties, it's been such a long day, honestly. Whew. Lord help me, honestly. And as you can see, the outfit and the hair, you know, I got two little plaits going down here. Oh, guys, I look cute. Oh, yes, right. Serious now, serious. Back to business, yeah. Okay, right. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting open my pumpkin spice. If you've not followed me on Snapchat, you will know I had a whole drama with finding this pumpkin spice, right? It was crazy. I went into all the supermarkets which I could literally find and go into to ask them for pumpkin puree. Nobody understood what it was. I was getting pumpkin season, all the pumpkins are coming out in bloody October, and I said, listen, I'm not asking you for pumpkins, I'm asking you, do you sell pumpkin puree? And they're all looking at me like I don't bloody speak a word of English, you know, which was really annoying. But lucky enough, today or Saturday I found it and it wasn't in stock, so I had to go back there today to purchase it. Oh, okay. I've never actually bought this before, so oh my god, oh, okay, alright. Okay. It looks like baby food. It looks like baby food. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh shit. Okay, let's be sensible. Let's put it in the bin. So, I got my pumpkin puree opened. Now I need to get a spoon. And got my jug and all that great stuff. Now, because I'm making it in a big jug, I don't really know how much exactly to put in. Shall I pour the whole lot in? I think I will. Right, let's go. You think it's gonna make a mess, guys? And guys, over here we do not judge, okay? We don't judge. So if you see something is looking a bit wrong, don't judge. Only I can judge. I'm joking. Right, so here I'm just putting in the pumpkin puree. It really looks like baby food. Okay. And I'm not too sure if this is always out on the shop floors like throughout the seasons, but I know because it's autumn, it's pumpkin time. And you can also buy it from Amazon. It's not too expensive online, but what I got for it, it was a good price. Right. So here we've got the pumpkin puree inside of the jug, whatever you want to call it. Then, you know, I've got the ingredients and how much to actually put in. But like I said, over here we don't measure. But I do have I've got the right recipe. I will put it on the screen so you can see it. And maybe if you're interested, you can make it as well at home. Right, so I add my milk in. Okay, 2 cups of milk. So I'm gonna get a cup. I didn't mean it, but I said I didn't love you so. Cause we in business round here, yeah. Got me fancy cup. If you know the cup, you know the cup. If you don't, then tough titties, mate. So here I'm just pouring in the first cup of milk. Yep. You see it? I won't pour it because I don't want it to drop on the floor. I'm trying to live my life, please. So as you can see here, poured in the first cup of milk. Now the second. You see, I'm trying to be all fancy and aesthetic. And then here. Okay, clap the tea. Then we need some syrup for taste. I only know. And this syrup is so damn big. I've never actually seen a big syrup in my life. But hey ho, because normally it's the little size syrups. Like besties, I'm telling you, if this tastes good, I want you lot to try it and let me know how it came out for you. Right, so now I've been told to add some syrup in for some taste. So that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully it's not too sweet, but you know, if it is, then we can just add some more milk in it. Now I'm going to add my vanilla in the mix. Let's close the milk before we have a whole milk fountain in the kitchen. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla. So right here, I got my vanilla. Okay, all right. You know, making a mess in the process, but it's okay. It's fine. You know, we don't judge around here. Remember I said that, besties, we don't judge. Okay, right. Then we add in the cinnamon, which I got here. Yeah. Ooh. I know cinnamon always smells so damn good. How much cinnamon do I? Oh, is it 1 tablespoon of cinnamon? Oh Lord. I believe that's like 1 tablespoon. So here I'm putting in the cinnamon. And then we need to get a big spoon, mix it around. I got my big wooden spoon, yeah. And here it is. I don't know if you can see it inside, but I will take a picture. Ooh, okay, all right. You know, I will get my phone now and take a nice little snap so you can see on the screen. I will put it here. So I've just taken my Snapchat of how the drink looks inside. And also a fun fact, with this you can use an electric whisk, but because we don't have one, I'm just gonna be doing it by hand. And because I've added the syrup, besties, yeah, it feels so thick at the bottom. But I suppose it's good to be that way, because if it's not thick, then it will just be like normal milk you're drinking. And I can drink normal milk on a normal day on its own. Let me smell it. Ooh! Smell it, guys. It smells absolutely delicious. You know, give it more of a little wrist work. Because if you don't give it a nice little wrist work, then hey ho, like what you doing? Hey ho, with a ho ho, with a hey, with a ho ho, with a hoo hoo. You know, this is giving ready for autumn, ready for the vibes. Oh, Right, now we're gonna do a nice little taste test. I do have my little cup here. Right, I'm gonna take a little bit, so you know, so I can just taste it and rate it out of 10. Right, let's see. Well, it smells really nice. Oh, it tastes really nice. And you know what? As well, you can have this hot. You know, put it in a pot and just hot it up on the stove. You can do all that great stuff. It's giving. It's really nice, actually. It's really, really nice. I would rate this about 9.5, only because I feel like it needs to be a bit sweeter. Very, very nice. And if you don't want any more of these type of autumn videos where I try and make autumn drinks, autumn snacks, autumn foods, let me know and I will get that done for you, because you know, we're now in autumn. I love it. I honestly love it. But anyways, besties, thank you so much for answering the FaceTime call. Whoop, whoop. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so whenever I ring, you know, you can actually hear the phone ring, 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 ring. That means to answer, not decline, answer. But anyways, yes, thank you. And also a quick one, besties. In the comment section, I have linked my digital ebooks, so feel free to go down there, support your girl, buy an ebook. I have ebooks based on growing your small YouTube channel, tips and tricks, how to save money in 2025. I'm your girl. If I'm your girl, make sure you go and click the link, which is in the comment section. Purchase yours. Thank me later. Right, besties. Bye.